So today we've got Chemisure here today at Yorkshire Caravans and Motorhomes. Do you want to give us a quick talk around what we've got?
Yeah, good morning. At the moment we're pushing the caravan cleaning range bucket, which you can see here, which is on special offer today at £31 from Yorkshire Caravans. We've got 4 products in there. We have Chemiwash, which is a non-caustic shampoo. Basically, you spray this on your caravan, it eats away at the black marks and the algae on top. Rinse that off.
Quite popular by the sounds of it then, that one.
Oh, it's a very good one, yeah. It makes you work smarter, not harder.
Yeah, very good.
We do a Matte Protect shampoo, which once you've got all the chemical off, you can wash your van with this. This keeps your decals looking nice and bright, it doesn't make your van go dull, and it's a very good product. After you've washed your van, we have a Vivid Quick Detailer. The Vivid Quick Detailer, you spray it on, wipe it off with a microfiber cloth. It's hydrophobic, so with the water, when it hits it, it just beads off and keeps those black marks off your van.
Sounds quite good, that particular
It is a very good van.
And can you use it on anything?
You can use it on anything. No, you can use it on cars. I showed a customer yesterday on my car and how it made it feel so much smoother, and it helps it cut through the air a little bit better, so a little bit less drag on the van and on the car. And then we've got our own formulated Gleam glass window cleaner. This is made for acrylic windows. It doesn't damage your windows, it won't dry them out, and it won't make them crack. So great product. Also in the bucket, you get a sponge, you get 2 microfiber cloths and a glass cloth, and the Chemisure air freshener. But you also get the bucket as well, so you can use it as a bucket, and that stows away nicely in the front of your caravan, in the front locker. Nice
little kit, that. And I see you've got all sorts of other products as well.
Yeah, we do other products. We do car detailing range, which would be great for motorhomes and things like that. A few more products in there.
Yeah.
Interior cleaners as well, different glass cleaner. We do a waterproof product for your awnings. We do a repel for your glass on your windows. Again, the water just beads off. We do a fabric protector for inside your caravan for your seats and for your carpets, so when you're walking in with dirty feet, basically all you have to do is get a damp microfiber cloth and rub it off, and it doesn't stain. Also good for your seats as well. If someone spills ketchup on them, it comes off a lot easier.
So it's a full range, basically.
Basically a full range, yeah. We do different air fresheners. These are isopropanol, so when you spray the isopropanol into the air, like other air fresheners have ethanol in them, so when you spray that and the ethanol evaporates, it takes away the smell. But with isopropanol, it stays in there longer.
Very good. Well, thank you for coming.
No problem at all. Thanks for having us.
Obviously, we've got all these products pretty much on the shelf at Yorkshire Caravans. Make sure you pop down and have a look. Don't forget, if you like our videos of awnings and accessories, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel.